Alright, so what we have here is a Midway cheap squeak deluxe. Got a Motorola MC68000 processor. ROM, it's low, high, or high-low, either way. There's the RAM. It's a 16-bit processor, so you get a low side and a high side. Each one's 8-bit, so these going here is 16. This is the PIA, which drives the DAC, which then goes through some circuits, goes into this op amp, comes out of this op amp, goes into this side of the op amp, then goes into this as the volume control, comes into this, and then goes back out. So I hooked the volume control up here. So I got it all wired up on the bench here. Test. Of course, I got the wrong speaker. And we have sound. And the problem was the PIA was bad and the DAC was bad. And believe it or not, even though this board is 30 years old, this chip right here is actually still available from DigiKey. So that is a shocker. Alrighty, that concludes my wonderful testing of a cheap squeak deluxe sound card for a Spyhunter.